Welcome back to Howard's How-Tos, and today I'll show you how to access archived chats in ChatGPT in a simple, clear walkthrough. When you're logged into your ChatGPT account, open the chat you want to archive. On the right side of the chat title, you'll see an icon that appears when you hover over it. Click it, and that chat is instantly archived. To view your archived chats, go to the bottom left corner and click your profile. In the menu that opens, select Settings. In the General tab, you'll see Archive Chats with a Manage button next to it. Click Manage and you'll see a list of all your archived conversations. Hover over any archived chat to either delete or unarchive it. If you choose to delete it, you'll be asked to confirm. If you want to unarchive it, just click the option and it'll return to your main chat list. You can also archive every chat at once using the Archive All option inside that same menu. And that's all you need to know to archive, manage, and restore your chats in ChatGPT. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe button for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.